Hello and welcome to Senturus Power BI Visualizations Intermediate. My name is Patrick Powers, trainer, data architect, and developer here at Senturus. This module is on conditional formatting. In this video, we will look at the different ways to conditionally format a visualization. This includes the use of rules, ranges, as well as more complex formatting using Dax. Conditional formatting can be applied to many different parts of a Power BI visualization. Table visualizations in Power BI can have customized cell colors, including gradients. Cell values can also use icons or web links. As long as formatting is based on a numeric field, you can apply conditional formatting to any text or data field. Some visualizations don't allow for conditional formatting directly. Tables and matrix types will always have conditional formatting options. These can be applied with rules, ranges, or Dax functions. There are some rules with conditional formatting. Tables and matrix types, for example, cannot have formatting on any total rows, sub, grand, or the base total row. If a table doesn't have a grouping, then it is displayed as a single row and cannot have conditional formatting. If your data contains NaN values, gradient formatting cannot be applied that uses min-max or rules with percentages. We will create a report that shows our sales per country. In addition, we will see what percentage of our customers come from each country and color each mark with rules. Here we've started a new blank page, and we're going to add a clustered bar to this. Resize it to fill the canvas. From dim customer, add country to the chart. From fact internet sales, add sales amount. Also from fact internet sales, we'll drag customer key to the tooltips drop zone. Click the down arrow and change it to account distinct. Click the down arrow a second time and go to show value as % of grand total. Hover over any bar to see the percentages. Note that it is showing the tooltip from our prior videos. Click on the formatting icon, click on tooltip, and set the type to default. While still in the formatting pane, click on Data Colors. Click the FX icon. In the Data Colors dialog box under Format By, select Rules. For the Based On field, we're going to pick Fact Internet Sales, Customer Key, and we'll do Account Distinct. Define the first rule as greater than or equal to 0% and is less than or equal to 10%. Click the New Rule button, and for the next rule, we'll say 11% to 40%, and we'll set this to a unique color. Add another rule. This one will be 41% to 100%. Again, picking a unique color. Click OK to apply this. Here we have formatted each of these based on the percentage of the count of customers. For our next demo, we'll see how to create ranges. Let's add a new page. And we'll add a clustered column chart this time, resizing it to fit the page. From dim customer, add customer name to the axis. From fact internet sales, add sales amount. Now this is too many marks on our report, so we're going to go ahead and filter this down. We're going to look at our top 10 based on their sales amount. And then we'll color each bar based on the profit. First, let's go to Formatting, click on Tooltip, and set the tooltip type to default. And from Fact Internet Sales, we'll add Profit to the tooltip field. In the Filter pane, click on Customer Name, set the type to top N, set it to 10, and add Profit to the By Value drop zone. Click Apply Filter. And now we see our top 10 customers by their profit amount. Let's color these to reflect this. Click on the formatting icon, expand data colors, and click the FX button. For this, we will use color scale. Under Based on Field, expand out Fact Internet Sales and select Profit. Click the checkbox next to Diverging to give us a low, middle, and high value. For the lowest value, we'll pick our darkest blue. For our middle value, a little bit lighter blue. And for highest value, the lightest blue. Click OK to apply this. Now we see our gradient applied to our different bars. For our last demo, we will use Dax to conditionally format. We'll create a new measure that contains a Dax formula, and we'll use it to highlight exceptionally high and low product sales amounts. Start a new page, add a matrix to the report page, and resize it to the height of the canvas. From Dim Product, add product name to the rows drop zone. From Dim Order Date, we'll add calendar year to the columns drop zone. From Fact Internet Sales, sales amount to the values. This gives us our base visualization. We'll now add our highlighting. Click on Fact Internet Sales. From the Table Tools ribbon, click on New Measure. Use the following formula. Product font color equals switch, true. Some Fact Internet Sales amount less than 500, red. Some Fact Internet Sales amount greater than 10,000, green. Otherwise, black. So here we're looking to see, is this true? Or is this true? If not, black. Go ahead and commit this. And in our visualization pane, we'll right-click on Sales Amount, and we'll go to Conditional Formatting. Pick Font Color. In the Font Color dialog box, under Format By, choose Field Value. Under Based on Field, go to Fact Internet Sales, and we'll use our product font color. Click OK. Here we see our high and low values colored either green or red, or black if it doesn't fall within either of those. That concludes this module where we saw how to conditionally format our visualizations using rules, ranges, and Dax functions. In our next installment, we will look at how to create additional visualization types. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and check back for the next entry in the series. Thank you.